If your truck is looking a little plain and you're seeking some extra flash, these chrome body side moldings might just be the right fit for you. Featuring easy installation and OEM style materials, these make for a quick and affordable addition to your 2011 and newer Ram 2500 or 3500. While some out there want to delete all chrome, others really like it. Personally, I'm a fan of some subtle chrome accents on a truck, especially if the truck already has some originally. Now these body side moldings are designed to fit perfectly on the doors of your truck, so they look like they could have been there originally, and there's nothing you need to cut or modify. These are ready to go right out of the box. They even have some nice finished edges on them too. Of course, put these pretty much anywhere you want. Now these are again designed to go right along the crease that's built into the doors, giving that character line a bit more of an accent. Now these serve a functional purpose too, as they protrude a bit from the edge of the doors, so they'll serve as a bit of impact protection and potentially save you from some parking lot dings. The durability, protection, and good looks come by way of the ABS plastic construction. That makes these super lightweight and durable, and the chrome finish over top means that they will match any other similar chrome pieces on your truck, like the grille, which is also typically ABS plastic with a similar chrome coating. And they come with automotive grade double-sided tape already pre-installed on the back, making the installation process quick and easy for you, but we'll talk more about that momentarily. Pricing comes in at about $200, which is really not bad for something that makes such a visual difference on your truck. If you like the look and ease here, this is a solid price for what you're getting, and it's going to save you the hassle of trying to do some kind of custom thing or cut it and make something else fit. This is just designed to go right on and look the part no matter what. Installation gets an easy 1 out of 3, and the job should take you about 45 minutes to complete. Now, most of that time is probably going to be spent peeling the backs off of the tape or cleaning the surface of your doors to ensure a good stick. And you do want to make sure that you get the door of your truck nice and clean before sticking these on, so you can be sure they'll hang on for the long term. Though there is some adhesion promoter included in the kit, it's worth it to spend a little extra time making sure that you've got the door clean and have that surface give you the best stick possible. We're also going to walk you through the install process right now, so for that, let's head on out to the shop.
Today we're going to be doing some body side moldings on our Ram, so let's get started. So there are no tools required for this job. The only thing you want to make sure of is that your doors are nice and clean, especially in the areas that we're going to be working on. If you are cleaning them, make sure to use a solvent-free cleaner so it doesn't leave any film or greasy kind of stuff on here. Then we've got our body side moldings. Now you have 2 longer ones and 2 shorter ones. The longer ones are going to be for your front door, shorter ones are going to be for your rear doors. So what we're going to do is come to the back side of these. We have our adhesive strips with covers on them. You have 2 long ones going down the entire length of your strip, and you have 2 shorter ones on each side. We're going to remove the backing on the shorter ones completely. That's going to help hold our ends. And then what we're going to do for our longer ones, as you can see, we've got these peeled up a little bit. You want to peel each side of these back a few inches. Don't fully remove them just yet. You want to fold them out to the outsides of the moldings, like so. You want to do that for each side. This is going to allow us to place this without fully exposing our adhesive, so if we need to adjust it, we can, and also once we have it in place, we'll be able to pull this backing off. So now we've got this done, we're going to set this in place. We're going to use the body line of our door. We've got this little cut in here. We're going to go right on the top of that. We want to space it evenly from the front and the back of the door. And we're just going to lightly press those ends on. Double check your lines. Now if you need to adjust from here, go ahead and pull it back out and adjust. Once you're happy with your fitment and your placement, we're going to start removing our backing. Just going to peel back. Get our top one off first. Just lightly press that on for now. Then we'll do the same thing for our bottom one. Again, we're just going to press that into place. And once you've got this one on, we're going to do the same thing for the rear. Now there's one indicator you want to be aware of for your rear body molding. It's going to have a tapered end that's going to go and match up with your front molding. This is going to allow it not to get hit when you open your door. So So we're going to do the same thing as we did with the front. Keep this in line. And once you got this side fully installed, you can do the same thing for the other side. That about wraps up our review and install of our body side moldings and chrome finish for your 11 to 24 Ram 2500 and 3500. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.